Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now, pick a needle that matches the fabric weight, then cut 18 to 24 inches of thread so it won't knot mid-stitch. Once done, flatten the cut end with your fingers and, if needed, apply a tiny bit of wax to stiffen the tip. This helps it pass through the eye smoothly. Thread the needle by bringing the thread tip straight toward the eye and push gently. If you struggle, trim the tip and try again with a steady hand. Once the needle is threaded, decide. Fold the thread for extra strength or use a single strand for finer work. Either way, tie a small knot at the tail or leave a 1/2-inch tail to backstitch. Insert the needle through the fabric from the wrong side, pull until the knot seats, and make a few short running stitches to set tension. This prevents puckering. Make sure to keep even spacing and consistent pull. Uneven tension will distort the fabric as you proceed. To finish, make 3 backstitches or a locking knot on the wrong side, pull snug, and trim the excess close to the knot. This keeps seams tidy and secure. If the thread frays or tangles, cut it and rethread with a fresh, shorter length. Longer threads are more likely to knot. One key troubleshooting tip: if the needle feels too hard to push, switch to a finer needle for delicate fabric or a larger one for heavy fabric.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.